Okay, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Deja Janae Exo, and I'm back with another video. And I'm kind of trying to be quiet because my roommate is downstairs asleep, but I still had to make this video, so I'm gonna be kind of quiet. But probably when I edit this video, it'll probably be loud enough for y'all to hear. So disregard that. I have on the same outfits that I had on the last video because I mean it was an unboxing video. So I mean I unboxed the hair right before I'm about to dye it, so it makes sense to have on the same outfit, you feel me? Because I'm doing it the same day. Like I literally just finished filming that video and now I'm down here about to film this video. Anyway, I'm about to dye my hair blue, you guys. So right now I have my water boiling on the stove and I have my bucket here. And I'm probably not going to use this entire bucket because I mean this is a big bucket and I only got 3 pots of water boiling, so I don't know how this is going to work. But I tried the watercolor method, and I'm sorry about all the noise in the background, but I tried the watercolor method before and it just didn't work out in my favor, so this is me retrying it again today. So fingers crossed that it works out the way I planned. But I'm about to go change my shirt because I don't want to get dye on this shirt, and hopefully by the time I'm done changing, this water is boiling. And yeah, so I will see y'all once it's time to pour the water in the bucket. Okay, so I'm all changed. I put my hair in a ponytail. The water is almost the water is not done boiling, but it's almost done boiling. But while it's doing that, I'm just going to show you guys the hair dyes that I have. So I hope it's fine that I got 2 different hair brands, but they didn't have the color indigo blue in Adore at the beauty supply store, so I had to get like indigo blue in a different brand. But it's not called indigo blue, it's called Midnight Blue by Kiss. And then I got Royal Navy. And then I already had half a bottle of indigo blue Adore in my room, so hey, we're gonna see what these 3 bottles can do. And yeah, so I'm about to go ahead, this water is boiling now, so I'm about to go ahead and pour the water in here, and then we're going to get started in 1 second. And so I put the water in there, and now I'm about to go ahead and put these colors in. So here we go. And she is blue. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it is blue. So we're gonna go ahead and get the whole thing in there. I'm so nervous. And I'm dabbing it in there to make sure all the blonde pieces are going to be covered. And it is fully blue. Oh my gosh, y'all, I did it. It's blue. Oh my god, y'all, I'm so excited. This is freaking lit. Okay. So she is blue. I'm going to go ahead and put her in the sink so I can rinse her out. And I'm going to dye the rest of them. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave those 2 bundles in here while I do the closure because I don't want the water to get cold, which I mean it's boiling hot, so I doubt it, but I just don't want any mess ups. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the closure, and I'm just gonna put it in there. When I've seen people do this, it doesn't get on the lace, but we're gonna test it out and see. But I really don't even have to go all the way in because I have dark roots, so I don't even want to really risk it on my lace, if we're being completely honest. So I'm making sure everything is on it, because I was noticing that in the middle of the bundles it's like a lighter blue, because I guess like the color wasn't fully getting on the hair. So I know my lace. Okay, y'all, so I think everything is about done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm holding my closure because I really don't want my lace to be dyed, because I see other people when they do their watercolor method, it doesn't get on their lace, but maybe my dye to water ratio is off, so I have more dye than water. If I want to say that's the reason why. But once I wash this out, we'll see if it really like dyed my lace, which is why I'm not dropping it all the way in there, because I don't want blue lace when I have black roots. It's just gonna look retarded. So I got it a little bit on the bottom, as you can see, but it's not on where my part is going to be, so I'm not worried about it. I'm glad I didn't just drop it in there, because I would have been completely and utterly upset. Okay, y'all, so in the process of me rinsing the blue out of the hair, I unraveled it and I realized that the roots are still blonde, because I guess like the really inside of the hair was like wrapped so tight that it didn't get any color. So I'm just going to unwrap them and then re-dip them, and hopefully that fixes the problem. Oh dang, that was quick already. Yeah, so I'm just going to re-dip these and then we'll try to rinse it out again. It is. Here she is. She is blue, she is alive, and she is cute. So I'm about to go ahead and put this on and we're gonna see what it's working with. Hey y'all, so this is it when I first put it on, and obviously it needs some work. So I'm gonna go fix this real quick. So y'all can really see. So I'm gonna go fix it really quick and be right back. So y'all, this is how the hair turned out. I am so freaking pleased. It looks so good. It's like it still has this nice little shine to it. It doesn't feel dry. It curls so good. Like I took the pins out maybe like 2 hours ago and the curls are still tight. I want them to loosen up, but it's taking a minute to loosen up. So if you're looking for some straight hair that can hold a curl, this is the company for you. But it's so cute and I really love it. So thank you YoLissa hair for having good quality hair. Like I said, I was scared for 613 hair, but it's still, I can't even keep my fingers out my head. It's that crazy, but I'm super pleased. I love it. I'm about to have me a little mini photo shoot, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. See y'all in my next video. So until next time, peace.
I don't really want no food. Hey yo, Draco got that kickback. When they kick back, you can't get your shit back. In fact, it's that bitch that I hate small talk. I don't fuck with.